Now that URENNA is in the palace cell, I want you to use the opportunity very well and make sure that you and Hannah is being seen together.
I will, Mommy. But Hannah loves URENNA so much.
Make him stop loving her and make her stop loving him. Use one stone and kill two birds.
How, Mommy?
Take Hannah to public places. Let people see the two of you together. He cannot taste all that fame, respect, high class, and still go back to being a nobody. No.
Mother, that is a smart move. But how will this plan affect URENNA?
I will give instruction to the palace guards not to allow Hannah anywhere near the palace, so that he will be able to visit URENNA in the cell. And when he gets to URENNA, that both of you are seen together, she will conclude that that is the reason why Hannah is not coming to see her. And she will hate him for that. Yes.
From our ways, stop fighting love. Stop fighting love. They are in love. Oh, Zomiri, Zomiri, Zomiri. Oh, Zomiri, Zomiri.
That's a one. Ewa. Hey. That's a one. Ewa. Ewa. Sorry. Ewa. Sorry. Ewa. Sorry. Hey, sorry. What is wrong with you?
Chocolate. Thank you because you're here. Please, I need to get inside my house.
You need to go to the hospital.
Just take me to my room. I will be fine.
There's a line, you need to go to the hospital. Open and can see me, take go.
From our ways, stop fighting love. Stop fighting love.
Sorry. Yeah, I think you need to go to the hospital. What are they feeling? Yeah, they going back.
Hey, stop there. Who are you? And what brings you to the palace?
I need to see the Dikeh.
Do you have an appointment with him?
No, but it's very important. I need to see him.
Okay. You tell me. Blessings, Father. Hannah, you're back.
Hi, Hannah.
Hi. Sorry. The way you pronounce his name shows me that I love my son.
Of course, I love him so much.
That's good. That's good.
Join us.
No, that's... He was the person that made the food.
Really? You made this?
Yes, I learned from my late mother.
Oh, my beautiful wife, Janet. She was a good cook.
Yeah, so rest in peace.
It's okay, my daughter.
Hannah, I actually came to see you. I don't know if you have time, so we'll just take a walk and talk.
As you can see, I'm just coming back from work. I like to rest, freshen up, and
It's fine. I can't wait.
Sure you can wait?
Sure, I can.
Is there any love?
Yes. I'll be back shortly.
Hey, this one is called love. It's okay.
Sure.
See that plot of land very close to the main market?
Yes.
We'll go and do a special.
Your Majesty,
Yes, what is it?
a man from this kingdom wants to see you. He says it's urgent.
It's okay. Tell him to come.
Yes, Your Majesty.
That's where that project I was talking to you about. That's where we're going to cite it. Yes. Nonso?
Igwe.
Nonso?
Your Majesty.
You said it's urgent. What is it?
Yes. It's about Ezewine. She's dying. She's very sick. From the look of things, she may not survive it.
What? Isn't she getting medical help?
Igwe, I tried my best. I even told her, let me take her to the hospital. But she refused. She said her time is up.
My Igwe, that means that he and URENNA must get married immediately according to our custom. If Ezewine joins her ancestors, the daughter must pick the mantle.
But URENNA doesn't appear to be ready to take that revered mantle.
My way, we must make her prepared by fire by force, or she risks excommunication and exile.
No, so thank you. You may leave it.
Igwe.
I'm worried. URENNA cannot fit in. She cannot fit in. She is the next princess of our journey.
Exactly my point. She is not yet the priestess of our journey. So let her complete her punishment. Yes, let her complete her punishment.
What Nonso said about the e-health of the priestess shows that she could die any time. And so, why hold back the replacement in the palace cell?
My husband, the priestess is not even seen clearly now. She could be wrong about her own death.
She could be right as well.
Fine. Let's wait and see which one it is. But the replacement is not even ready to be a replacement yet. She's not ready.
Stop fighting love. Stop fighting love. They are in love. Oh, Zombie, Zombie, Zombie. Oh, Zombie, Zombie.
Open this place! Let me out of here, you cowards! Open this place for me! Una dey mad? I say open this place! Which kind of nonsense be this? Open this place! That girl is just an animal. How can she be the next high priestess of Adjoani? How can she? A lunatic for that matter. Dad? Why are you still keeping quiet on that girl? She has been disturbing the entire palace since and you've not said anything. Do something, sedate her, maybe knock her off. No, he wouldn't do anything. He's so soft on that girl. And that is why she's misbehaving up and down. Dad? You're not saying anything.
You're not saying anything. There's no problem.
I'm here to see URENNA.
I'm afraid you cannot see her.
What do you mean by I cannot see her? She's allowed to receive visitors.
Not anymore. You cannot see her
Open this
again.
place.
You cannot visit her again.
Let me out of here, you cowards. Open this place for me. Una dey mad. I said open this place.
Please, allow me to see her briefly, please. Even if it's just for 2 seconds. I will not waste your time.
No, you will have to take permission from me.
Open this place.
Dikeh?
Yes.
Alright, please let me see.
No. See, please. This is an instruction given to me, please.
I know it's an instruction, but you're a man like me now, eh? If that girl happens to be your sister, I'm sure you will do everything to solve this problem.
See, I understand, but so I can see her, please. You will not lose your job, please. Let me see you well.
Please, I beg you, Your Majesty. Allow me to see her for 2 seconds. Just 2 seconds.
2 seconds. Is that how much you want to see her?
Yes. Yes, please.
We cannot do that, Your Majesty. The girl in question has been of bad behavior since she was locked up. No atom of remorse at all. As long as she keeps misbehaving, most of the privileges accorded to her has been withdrawn.
No. Your Majesty. Your Highness. My princess. Please, for the sake of our friendship, help me talk to your parents. Please.
Will you shut up there?
Please, Your Highness.
Do you know that my daughter had fallen in love with you? Why did you break her heart in this manner? I will not give you permission to see URENNA. Leave my palace. You're such a selfish boy.
Oh, please.
God!
Your Majesty! Dikeh, please. Dikeh, please.
Send her. Move.
Dikeh, move!
This way, move.
Dikeh!
Mother, he doesn't care about me. Did you hear what he said? He said for the sake of our friendship. That means I'm just a friend to him, nothing more.
My dear, it is okay. It's okay. I think it's time you let him go. Yes. Let him go. He is the one that is going to benefit from marrying you, not the other way around. And you should not be the one showing love and attention. He should be the one doing that and not you. Please.
Mommy, this is not just about love and attention. Mommy, my pride is at stake. Everyone thinks we are dating. What will people say when they see him with URENNA? I can't lose to that girl. I can't lose to that dirty girl. Hannah must be mine. I can't lose to that dirty girl. I can't lose to her.
It's okay. Please calm down. Stop crying. He doesn't want it. He doesn't want your tears, please. Please, it's okay. It's okay. Stop crying.
I didn't give orders for URENNA not to be allowed to have visitors.
I did, my love. And it's only applicable to Hannah.
I think we have invested too much emotions and energy on that engineer. he is not worth it.
Anna is mine. Nobody can take him away from me. Anna is mine. Nobody can take him away from you. It's not okay. It's not okay. No, it's okay. Did you hear what Daddy said? Just let it go. Okay, the Anna you are fighting. Did you let Daddy go? Did you let Daddy go? Please.
Who is Dikeh? My name is URENNA. They call me Dikeh. Anyway, I bring food for you. Since your Ahanna is busy in the village, holding hand with the princess.
What do you mean by that?
Ahanna have been holding hand with the princess. They've been hugging each other. See, whatever that lady promised Ahanna, he has fallen for it.
No, sorry, you lie. I mean, Mama, he cannot do that kind of way. It is not possible. Why did you lie?
Don't worry now. You don't see the way he loves you now. He's running 2 days for you. Come out. You will see what I'm telling you. Even the whole village is talking about it. Everybody's talking about it.
Anna loves me so much. He cannot do it to me. What is possible?
No problem. Have your fruit now.
Carry your nonsense to come up for my front. I don't want.
Ure, I don't know what I did to you. I don't know why you don't love me. I've been doing everything for us to be together. Even your mother is very sick. Yes. And the way I see it, I don't think she will survive it. Hey. She declined though.
Did you tell her about her mother's ill health and the rumor flying around in the village that Princess Abigail is getting married to Anne? Did you?
Naya, I did. I hope that will make her come back. Or else, whatever they said about her is wrong. Because she still have many years to live.
Getting a priestess from entirely new family will involve a lot of rigorous processes. It hasn't been done for years or even for centuries. The items required for this ritual will ever be impossible to come back.
What then do we do now that the next priestess is not ready at all and not even willing to marry her betrothed? If the high priestess currently dies today, how long do we stay without a priestess waiting for URENNA to come back to her senses? How long also will Adjuani's shrine be vacant?
Well, if we can get the items for the rituals, there is no problem. We go ahead, do it. But I see it as almost impossible thing to do. In fact, I am even tired of that URENNA girl. Her behavior.
Where then do we go in search of all these items? From my own point of view, these items must have gone into extinction.
Oh yes?
Due to the advent of technology and development for years now.
The only solution is getting URENNA to reason with her brain and not with her vagina, knowing fully that her gain is hidden in her brain.
Who does that?
So, what I want to find out is this. So, if you are not interested of getting married to Princess Abigail, what is all this rumor about?
I don't know. I'm even confused. I do not know. See, the straw we had was just once. Not absolutely nothing involved. No strings attached.
My guy, maybe to you, but not to her. You know how all this things works now. You should know that now.
See, who knows if URENNA has heard it. They won't even allow me to see her.
You really do care about this girl. Eh? With all these stories surrounding your relationship.
See, I am still hoping that all of this turns out to be good for us. I mean, the universe should at least smile at us someday. Eh? This is what I'm praying for, so that we can get to spend the rest of our lives together.
My guy, let me ask you one important question. What if the universe did not smile at you? Do you have a plan B?
I don't have a plan B. My only plan for marriage is URENNA.
Hey. Wait, which means our good princess has no chance at all. Ha.
URENNA. Mama, the time is almost here. You must raise yourself from our absence and for the task ahead.
Mama, I never ready you. As I did like this, I did very confused. I did in a very dark spot like this. I'm not sure I don't ready for this thing. No.
If you tell yourself you are ready, you'll be ready.
What are you doing here?
I came to see you.
Okay, you don't see me, Abi. They go.
I don't understand. I should.
You say you never see me? Baba, I say Baba.
You don't know what is going on. I mean, why are you being so harsh towards me?
Why are you pretending? You think I never hear your gist? How you deflect around with that stupid princess when they call Abigail? You think I don't know?
Oh, no, those are rumors. So how can you even believe that?
How many times did you come to the palace cell to visit me when I was locked up? You're busy flirting around with her. You don't send me.
No. You got it all wrong. I wasn't flirting with anyone. Believe me. See, I can explain.
Oh God, don't need your explanation. Come out for this place. Leave this place before I go do something where I go regret. Get out from here.
Ure.
You dey mad. Come out from here. Oh God, come out here. When they see your face. Why? I was told you with slippers.
The ways of the gods are quite different from our ways. Stop Stop fighting love. Stop fighting love.
Hi, Nonso.
My princess, you know my name.
Who doesn't know you? The handsome betrothed to the next priestess of Ajan. Everybody knows you.
Thank you for the compliment.
You're welcome. Why not hop in? I would love to talk to you.
Okay.
Oh, Nonso. You know we both have a lot in common. We have people who don't love us in our lives, and we love them.
You're correct, my princess.
So I want us to help each other. You get what you want, I get what I want.
How do you mean? I don't get.
I want us to work as a team.
Okay.
You get your URENNA, I get my Ahana.
That's a good one. Do you have a plan?
Of course I do. I won't come here if I don't have a plan.
Okay.
And don't tell me you have not cooked anything since morning and you are home. I am talking to you, Anne. Anne, what is your problem? Just because URENNA broke up with you, you want to end your life. Some days now you have not paid attention to your work. And today you want to stab both of us to death? All this for a rascal girl. When a princess is craving your love. Anne, why do you stampede that you will end up like this? What is your problem? My son, what is your problem? Look at your future. Being very straight, leading you to a paradise, and you want to die for a useless girl. What is your
Let me get you right. You mean she left this palace without your knowledge? Is that what you want?
My king, she didn't tell me she was going out today. I wasn't even aware she left the palace.
And she didn't even go with any of the guards. What if URENNA of a girl attack her again?
She dare not. Because I would not be lenient with her next time she does something like that. Is she not taking the call?
No, she's not taking the call. People, please, I don't want anything to happen to my daughter. I don't want anything to happen to her. She's my only child. My only daughter. Isn't it? Please, you can go.
priestess. How are you feeling today?
As you can see, getting closer to my ancestors.
URENNA, please sit down.
I want to stand. This is my house.
But nobody's dragging the house with you.
Chief Clement, let her be. If that's her choice, let's get down to why we are here.
This is why they say let's get down to why we are here. I hope it's not because of Nonso. This is why they say Nonso for here. I will not marry him if that's the reason why you are here.
URENNA, shut up your mouth. No.
Mama, if this meeting is about me getting married to Nonso, I am not interested. Period.
URENNA, we don't have all the time on earth to beat about the books with you. The time is almost at hand. You need to realize that you do not have as much choice as you do think.
Uri, Wanyoma, see, you need to face the facts. Okay, I promise I will take care of you till end of the world.
Nonso, you're a good man. You are handsome. But as for love, Mbanu, I cannot bring myself to love you. I'm already in love with somebody else.
URENNA, we are talking about something serious. The future of Ajo and his shrine, which is held sacred all over Isiala village and beyond. You don't understand it?
Uri, the man you are fighting for is not fighting for you. This young man has moved on with a princess. Oh, were you expecting him to marry you? You know if he tries such thing, he will be excommunicated from this village. Uri, please, be reasonable. You know I love you.
URENNA, Mama. URENNA, my heart is broken. Why can't they understand me?
Greetings, Mom. Where are you coming from? I was feeling choked, so I went out to get some fresh air.
That's nonsense. Do you realize that you are the princess of Isiala Kingdom? And that anything can happen to you? Or someone can attack you just the way URENNA did?
Father, I was careful.
That is not good enough. Not enough. Next time you must go out, you must let us know. Especially when it has to be you alone. Is that clear?
Yes, Father.
That is an order. Before you leave this house anytime, any day, make sure you let us know.
But I'm not a child anymore. I'm an adult.
You are still that my precious little girl. I wouldn't want anything to happen to you. Please.
Okay, Mother. I'll be in my room.
Please.
I'm telling you the truth. I had nothing to do with Princess Abigail. She keeps coming to my house. And one time she came to my house and asked me to follow her on a stroll, which I did. Leslie, the same harmless one. I never knew she was using that to pass messages across. That was what gave birth to the rumors you heard.
So why didn't you come to visit me as you promised?
I did, URENNA. I did. I came to that place twice, but I wasn't allowed to come in. The guards told me the king ordered no one should come and see you.
Liar! Liar from the pits of hell, because Nonson came to visit me 2 days before I was released.
Really?
Yes, now. He told me about all the nonsense you and Abigail have been doing, and my mother's ill health. If not, how would I have known?
This can only mean one thing. They were deliberately preventing me from coming to see you. Perhaps they just a ploy to separate both of us.
And I'm sorry. I'm sorry I didn't give you listening ears at first.
It's okay.
Please stand up.
Let's get up.
Anna, my boo.
Thank you.
I missed you.
I miss you too. Thank you. Life has been hell for me these past days. How about your mother?
She's not getting any better. She doesn't want to get better. It's as if she has accepted her fate that her time has come. And now the pressure is on me to marry Nonso according to customs and tradition. I don't know what to do. Let's elope.
Elope? To where?
Let's leave this village and go somewhere else. Let's go very far from people. Get married and make babies.
This is actually not a good idea, you know. How about our families?
They don't care about us.
Okay, how about your mother? Are you going to leave her like that?
What do you want me to do? I don't want to marry Nonso. It's you I love and it's you I want to spend the rest of my life with.
If this plan of ours works, this whole loving and not being loved will be solved. We'll get what we want.
Yeah. I promise I won't disappoint you.
You won't, because if you do, you will suffer yourself.
Okay. I'll take my leave now.
Mom?
What are you doing with Nonso?
Nonso?
Nothing.
I was only trying to find out what is going on with him and URENNA, that's all.
Is it what it is, Abigail?
Yes, Mommy.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Alright, in that case, I was beginning to miss you so much.
Okay.
So, can you come keep your mommy company? Why not, really?
Of course. I'll be pleased to do that. Let's go.
Who has the guts to commit this abomination in Isiala village? Who?
This is first of its kind in this village. Who have such guts? I propose a thorough search of all the houses in our village.
What if the thief has already made it outside, out of this village?
Are you sure this is not URENNA's doing? So that she can further delay her marriage to Nonso? Remember, she's the first person that noticed that Ajuane's head is missing.
Clement, you are right. Oh, that girl is capable of anything. Yes.
There will be a thorough search of every house in Isiala village. Every boundary in and out must be blocked. It must be blocked until the search is over. If it means employing extra hands from neighboring village, so shall it be.
Your Majesty, when does this search commence? Exactly, let us know.
The search starts now.
What is Isiala village turning into? Someone summoned courage to enter into the shrine of Isiala. Still the Ajuan ahead. What an abomination. I've never heard of this before. What is going on? Huh? One girl. You check me. Am I serious?
Yes. I just want to inform you of what is happening in this our village. Maybe you are aware. Maybe you are not. But for your information, Ajuane's head is missing. And the king has ordered that every house in this village must be searched. Every nook and cranny of this village must be searched until the head is found and the thief caught.
Okay. Anyway, I'm aware that Ajuane's head is missing. And I am totally in support of the search. So you are free to search my place.
Alright. Alright. You. Go ahead. Can you come and enjoy it? Thanks. Thank you very much. Enjoy your meal.
Even before you entered, I was discussing to myself, asking why such thing should happen in this village. I've never heard of this kind of abomination. That Adjuana's head is missing. That is real abomination.
Oh, yes. Yes.
May the gods forbid. What is this? What is this?
Midas.
What is Adjuana's head doing in your house?
I don't have answer to this question. I don't know. I didn't bring anything.
Where is your son, Ahanna?
My son, Ahanna. I think Ahanna.
Ahanna.
Ahanna should be in URENNA's house.
You arrange take him to the palace.
What?
Yeah?
Move it here.
Are you?
My hands are clean. My hands are clean. Move it. I didn't do anything. I don't know anything about it.
You call the other guys to come and join us to arrest Ahanna wherever he is.
Greetings, my elders. What's going on here?
Adjuana says I've been found.
That is good news.
Yes, good news it is. But the bad news is this. It has been found in your own house.
In my house? No. There's a mix-up somewhere. It cannot be found.
We are here to arrest you. Your father is already on his way to the palace.
No, my elders, you know me, I cannot commit such an atrocity. No, I cannot do that in my house.
As I said earlier, Ahanna, your father is already on his way to the palace. Guys, move him!
Please, no, please don't do this.
Move! Move somewhere! It's cannot be found in my house now! No!
Mama, thank God you are awake. What is happening? Mama, it's the palace guards. They came and took Ahanna away. That they saw Adjuana's head in his house. That he or his father stole it. No, not him. Mama, what are you talking about?
The moment the head of Adjuana just found itself in your womb.
I swear on the grave of our ancestors, I do not know what all this is all about.
Father, please.
This man committed a great sacrilege, and so he does not want your sympathy.
Your Majesty, please. You need to believe me.
I don't know how Ajwani's head got to my house. Please, I beg you, please. I am innocent.
Now your father is in the palace cell because he maintained that he does not know how the head of Ajwani found its way to his house, which is also your house. God, Your Highness. Take him away.
Hey, shut up. Your Highness! Your Highness! Is innocent? Is innocent? Oh, my boyfriend is innocent. He did not see the Ajwani's head. Is innocent? I have a witness.
URENNA, this is not time for you to play a love game with Yahanna. We are in a serious matter. Stop that!
Please, my mother, the priestess, is a witness. She saw the person that stole the Ajwani's head. Please. Huh? Yes. Huh?
Hey! Nonso? You mean Nonso stole the head of Ajwani?
From my divination, before coming to this place, I discovered that Nonso did not walk alone. He has accomplices. And those accomplices Dikeh Clement. Some of them is princess.
Hey! She's lying. Daddy, she's sick. She doesn't know what she's saying. You don't know what you're saying. You're sick.
Are you willing to swear before Ajwani's shrine? Are you?
You? Yes, I did it. But I did it for love. Daddy, she had somebody protected to her already. Why don't you go for him? Why are you going for Hannah? He doesn't suit your status. You didn't go to school. Hannah, I did it for us. I did it for long. Yes. Why are you looking at me like that? I did it for us. Daddy, I love Hannah so much. She's not supposed to be in Hannah's life. She had somebody already. URENNA, you have somebody already. Daddy, please, I'm sorry.
Princess, why? Oh.
Guards,
Your Highness.
take them to the palace cell.
Yes, Your Highness.
They shall remain there until we are done with the investigation. And as for Nonso is hereby banished from this kingdom.
Okay,
You're taking your daughter to the...
Let's go.
Will you get your daughter?
Let's go.
Don't do it! What's up?
Okay, kita jisi anyoko. We love her. Najidini sigi. The ways of the gods are quite different from my
That's the one. Our high priestess. That's the one. We want to appreciate you for honoring this meeting.
Yes, but it has to be brief. I do not wish to stay out for too long.
Sure, it's going to be brief. We want to know the way forward. Now that Nonso is no more capable of handling any statutory office.
We already know the way forward. According to our tradition, should a betrothed of a high priestess dies or become unworthy, or should a husband of a high priestess die or become unworthy to continue being her husband, the high priestess have the right to choose another partner for herself. Only her deserves that right to do so. Is that not our tradition?
It is. You are right. It's true.
In other words, URENNA sitting here must pick another partner of her own choice by herself. Okay?
Exactly. URENNA.
Mama.
Mama, you now have the right to choose for yourself who you will marry.
URENNA, I think we know who that partner is.
Ahana, of course. Go to Ahana. Tell him to bring his people to come and ask for your hands in marriage.
Hey! Hey! Mama, thank you. God bless you for me, elders of our land. Thank you so much. You're my husband, though. God has done it, so.
It's a lie.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I cannot choose anyone I want, and I choose you. I love you. I love you too. I love you too.
Her life is full of determination and the love. Onya kuchikwana yesia. Makoni wewe. She believe in herself. Out of Rasta, she is ready to do anything. Anything just to make her love moving. Okay, URENNA, heart of a rascal. The heart of a rascal. She knows send you. She knows send your papa. Anyhow you want her, she go give you. URENNA, no send anybody. The heart of a rascal. She knows send you. She knows send your papa. She knows send your papa. Anyhow you want her, she go give you. URENNA. The heart of a rascal. She knows send you. She knows send your papa. Anyhow you want her, she go give you. She know the hear word at all. The heart of a rascal. She knows send you. She knows send your papa. Anyhow you want her, she go give you. they use her love to play. She sacrificed everything for this love. She sacrificed everything for her love. Anybody who come closer to her lover is a suspect and must collect beating with immediate effect. URENNA, URENNA, beautiful soul, but her life is full of determination and love. Onya kuchikwana yesiya, makone wabiwe. She believes in herself, heart of Racal. She is ready to do anything, anything just to make her love moving again. URENNA, heart of a Racal.